What's the meaning of backdate? Backdate. Backdate.
Backdate. Backdate. The term backdate refers to the act of assigning a date to a document or event that is earlier than the actual date on which it was created or occurred. This is typically done to make it appear that the document or event took place at an earlier time, either for legal, financial, or other purposes. For example, a person might backdate a check in order to make it look like it was issued earlier than it actually was. Backdating can be illegal if it is used to deceive or defraud others, but it may be legitimate in certain circumstances, such as when dating contracts or agreements.